good morning. Today is the 19th of February and today I'm going to be doing another little vlog style video. I am going to Sunderland beach today again for my daily exercise with Millie. We're going to stay socially distanced. I have a Valentine's Day card for her. I'm going to get some flowers, I think. We're going to go to the beach. I think there's takeaways along the beach. Hopefully we'll be able to get some like yummy food, and yeah, we're just gonna have a really good day, putting positive vibes in the universe. Everything's gonna go okay and it's gonna come out like a nice sunny day. It's all gonna be good. We're gonna have a good day. Let's go. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, but I got some flowers for me. I'm on my way down now. I did try to get some photos here, but it was so difficult because it's windy. Happy Valentine's Day! I'm just popping in to talk about the pancakes as I lost the clip, but we got ours from Lovelily. They're absolutely gorgeous. I definitely recommend, but they only have one phone line, so it will take you a few tries to get through, but I promise you they're absolutely gorgeous, so it's definitely worth the wait. This is the first time I'm trying this. Is it like a waffle?
Not really.
Oh, it is. That's really nice. Oh my god. Oh no. How have I done this? What am I going to do? So yeah, I'm taking it home because it was absolutely massive, so I'm going to take it home. I'm on my way back now. I'm going to the bus station, so I'm so happy. Like, literally the joy on my face when they answered the phone. So happy. I'm not sure if you could hear what I said in the last clip, but basically what I'm saying is I'm so thankful that I had such a lovely day. Thank you all for joining me and watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.